The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, how all of you are doing today? Doing well? Wonderful. Children, shall we read a new story today? Great. Before we start reading the story, shall we try to guess what the story might be about? Okay. Before we start looking at the pictures, shall we start to read title together? Read with me children. Shopping with Grandma. Look at this picture children. What do you see here? And what is around him? He is holding something. And there's something around him. There's a bear, some kind of toy that he is holding. Maybe a bear is also a toy. And what about the clown on the other side? So children, what can be the story about? Maybe it's about a little boy and his toys, the little boy and his grandma. Maybe it's about how the little boy goes shopping with his grandma. You like to buy toys when you go shopping? Do you like to shop children? What do you like to buy when you go shopping? Who do you go shopping with? With your mother, maybe your father, your grandparents. Yes, all right. We will find out more when we will read the story. Children, shall we read the story now? I will read the story aloud and you will follow me on the screen. Let's begin. Shopping with Grandma. Turn the page. David is excited. It is Christmas tomorrow. Why David is excited? Because it is Christmas tomorrow. And can you see a Christmas tree? Might be his father. He is decorating the Christmas tree. How do you decorate the Christmas tree? Have you seen a decorated Christmas tree? Yes. Bells. Many things we can use for decorating the Christmas tree. David is excited. It is Christmas tomorrow. Next page. This year he has a baby sister. He wants to buy a beautiful gift for her. This year he is having a baby sister. So for her, this is her first Christmas. So he wants to buy a gift for her. Turn the page. David wonders what he should buy. A toy soldier, a train, a dollhouse, an aeroplane. Now he is thinking, what should he buy for his sister? A toy soldier, a train, a dollhouse, an aeroplane. Turn the page. He takes his purple piggy bank from the shelf. Now you all might be having a piggy bank where we will save the money. Do you have that? You should have that at home. When somebody gives you some change or some money, you should keep it safely in the piggy bank. Why you are keeping that? Because you can use that money in some occasions like this. How David is using. So he takes his purple piggy bank from the shelf. Can you see a piggy bank? He asks grandma for help. Grandma takes David and his piggy bank to the shopping mall. Now David is a small boy, so he can't go alone for shopping. So he asks his grandma for help. Can you come with me for shopping? So grandma says yes, and grandma takes David and his piggy bank to the shopping mall. Have you seen a mall? In Palakkad we have seen, right? Big Bazaar, like that malls are there. There are shops for toys, shops for clothes, and shops for shoes. There seems to be a shop for everything. In the mall, there is shop for toys, shops for clothes, shops for shoes. There seems to be a shop for everything. You can buy anything from the mall. Everything is there. Grandma and David go to the toy store. Grandma and David go to the toy store. There is a giant green Christmas tree. Giant green Christmas tree means a big Christmas tree, more high than them. Outside the toy store. It is outside the toy store. Tiny lights and shiny balls twinkle on the branches of the tree. Can you see? Tiny lights and shiny balls twinkle on the branches of the tree. Can you see here? They are twinkling. Some balls are gold, some are silver, some balls color is gold and some are silver, some are red and rest are green. So some are red color balls and some are green. Turn the page. They see Santa Claus sitting on a chair outside the toy store. What they see outside the toy store? They see Santa Claus. Have you seen Santa Claus? In Christmas we have seen that, right? Santa Claus. So they see Santa Claus sitting on a chair outside the toy store, dressed in his red suit and black boots. You have seen Santa Claus, right? So dressed in his red suit and black boots. He is swinging a big bell. He is having a big bell in his hand and he is swinging like this. David looks at all the bright and glittering toys on the shelf. Now he went into the shop, toy shop, and he saw lots of toys there on the shelves. David looks at all the bright and glittering toys on the shelves. The toys are glittering and bright color, because new toys will be like that. We have seen in the shops, right? He plays with the green frog that leaps so high and the yellow bouncing ball. Now he plays with a green frog that leaps so high with a battery. That frog leaps, and the yellow bouncing ball, he is having a bouncing ball in his hand. So he is playing with that bouncing ball. He tries the flashy red remote control car and the electric blue racing bike. Now what he is trying there inside the toy shop? He is trying to select toys for his sister. So he tries the flashy red remote control car. Now it is a remote control car, so he can use remote and the car will go. And electric blue racing bike also he is looking. These are gifts that he would like. These are the gifts he has selected for his sister. He picks up the little baby doll. Now he picks up a little baby doll that looks so much like his sister. That baby doll, can you see? That baby doll looks like his sister. The doll has chubby rosy cheeks. The doll has chubby rosy cheeks. This type of rosy cheeks. Chubby rosy cheeks. And curly black hair. She has sparkling brown eyes. Brown color eyes. Sparkling. That open and close, and she can say mama. What she can say? When you will put a key in the doll, she will say mama. She is perfect, but he wants to get his little sister something even nicer, better than this he wants to select. Then he sees something his sister will love. Now he sees something which his sister will love. It is big, warm, cuddly and soft. What it is? A bear. Can you see a teddy bear? It is big, warm, cuddly and soft. Cuddly and soft. Have you touched a teddy bear toy, a bear toy? It is warm, cuddly and soft. Do you have a toy teddy bear at your home? So, touch and feel it. The story is over. Once more I will read for you. Now we will read the story. David is excited. It is Christmas tomorrow. This year he has a baby sister. He wants to buy a beautiful gift for her. Turn the page. David wonders what he should buy. A toy soldier, a train, a dollhouse, an aeroplane. He takes his purple piggy bank from the shelf. He asks Grandma for help. Grandma takes David and his piggy bank to the shopping mall. Turn the page. There are shops for toys, shops for clothes and shops for shoes. There seems to be a shop for everything. Grandma and David go to the toy store. There is a giant green Christmas tree outside the toy store. Tiny lights and shiny balls twinkle on the branches of the tree. Some balls are gold, some are silver, some are red, and the rest are green. They see Santa Claus sitting on a chair outside the toy store, dressed in his red suit and black boots. He is swinging a big bell. He is having a bell in his hand. He is swinging a big bell. David looks at all the bright and glittering toys. He plays with the green frog that leaps so high and the yellow bouncing ball. He tries the flashy red remote control car and the electric blue racing bike. These are gifts that he would like. He picks up the little baby doll that looks so much like his sister. The doll has chubby rosy cheeks. Have you seen a small baby? How is her cheek? Chubby cheeks. So chubby rosy cheeks and curly black hair. He has sparkling brown eyes that open and close, and she can say Mama. She is perfect. But he wants to get his little sister something even nicer. Then he sees something his sister will love. It is big, warm, cuddly and soft. Teddy bear. Right? So, you have to read this storybook and practice it. That's all for today. I will meet you in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.